एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माई चैनल। सो गाइज, आज मैं आप लोगों को लेकर जा रही हूँ सिटोंग का हिडन जिम लेप्चा वाटरफॉल्स एंड वन ऑफ द फेमस पिकनिक स्पॉट जोगीघाट। सो गाइज, enjoy the vlog. As we step into Sittong, we are greeted by a sense of serenity, and the peaceful atmosphere is for sure to refresh our inner soul. It is an ideal location to unwind and relax in tranquility and peace. We can also watch the clouds roll over the mountain. So guys, now we are entering into a lap of peaceful serenity, Lepcha Waterfalls. We can see a beautiful cardamom plantations. And on the way we can also see a beautiful oranges orchards. Now the oranges are very greenish and the size is also very small, as I am visiting these waterfalls in the month of August. These oranges will get matured during November and December. To get closer to the falls, we need to walk 10 to 15 minutes through the forest path. Lepcha Waterfalls is nestled inside deep rocky mountains and is surrounded by dense thick forest. Tucked with the warmth of nature, the serene environment of the surrounding rocks overlooking the waterfalls is a private haven well rested far away from the road on a mountain slope. Now we are heading towards one of the famous sightseeing point of the Sittong, Jogighat. Sittong has a variety of landscape depending upon places. So guys, now we are in Jogighat at an altitude of about 2000 feet. This place gives us a relatively warmer climate and a riverside valley feeling. This place is at a distance of 10 km away from Upper Sittong. Jogighat Bridge. Jogighat Bridge is a 74-meter steel bridge over river Riyang connecting two gorges, Sittong and Mungpoo. This place offers spectacular views of the valley while traveling. The river Riyang, small villages, peaceful surroundings, and the relaxing environment all contribute to make Jogighat one of the famous sightseeing points as well as picnic spots of the Sittong. Earlier there was a wooden footbridge which is now abandoned, and this new steel bridge was inaugurated by Baba Ramdev on 2015. This is all about Jogighat and Lepcha Waterfalls. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and please do share and subscribe my channel. So guys, bye bye, see you in next vlog. Stay tuned.